The population is growing. The amount of arable land simply isn't going to go up. So we need to be as efficient as possible with the land that we have to make sure that we can sustain our population as it gets larger. Farmer's Edge is a precision ag company. We do data management and decision support for growers. We want to solve agriculture. We're very heavily invested in the IoT space. In our implements, tractors and combines, we've put a device called a cam plug. It's a telematics device that basically feeds us continuous information in real time. We've employed our own weather network, so we have thousands of weather stations across our offering, and it just gives us a better and a more complete data set.
We have 2 weather stations on our farm, and they are about 3 miles apart. First thing in the morning, I'll look at my farm command to see the forecasts, see the wind directions, see if there's a chance of rain. Before, if you got 4,000 acres and you have to go look at every field to see how much rain you had on them, it can be time consuming.
What artificial intelligence and machine learning is providing for us is optimized decision making. We want to create an optimal prescription. In order to know how much fertilizer to put down, we need to know how much nutrient already exists. That's what the soil sampling provides us. We go out, we punch a core, that core goes to our lab, they do a lab analysis and they can tell us how much nutrient, both macro and micronutrient, are in the soil. That information feeds back to Farm Command and the recommendation process takes over from there.
Variable rate technology is here, and putting the fertilizer where it's meant to be and taking advantage of the yields, that's what a farmer should be doing.
Essentially what we're doing is we're providing a new type of agronomist, one that's driven by the data that we've collected over the years. We'll be able to make decisions like what is the absolute optimum day to seed, whether a chemical should be applied and what day a chemical should be applied, what crop type should be going down that's going to maximize ROI in the fall based on, say, market conditions, or how we think that crop is going to perform based on the current soil conditions. We're using the Azure IoT Hub to build a scalable platform for thousands and thousands of IoT devices. What the Azure IoT platform has allowed us to do is focus on that deployment while giving us all the features that we need in an IoT stack, like provisioning, like security, like streaming. So the power of a scalable system that can handle thousands of devices with the simplicity of sort of a turnkey operation where we can deploy these devices and just know that it's going to work for us.
Our cereal crops this year were phenomenal. It was one for the ages. I credit a lot of it to Farmer's Edge. The fertilizer was put in the proper places, the crop stood up beautifully, and just phenomenal yields.